for the camera.
Hilton, what do I have? What is that? What? No?
He's saying, I just want to snuggle that tree.
Wow, you're actually, letting me pet you. This is amazing.
He says, I'm loving you every
This
day to come
is-
and visit me.
This is amazing. Gonna eat that treat? He likes these treats.
I don't think
What do I got? What is that? There you go, take it.
I know, I just gave it and I took it away. I did, and I took it away.
This is amazing. You're letting me pet you. Like it, bud? Yeah.
That's insane.
I'm ready for dinner. I'm ready for breakfast.
Oh. Oh, really great. Yeah, you big baby. There you go. There's the extra special.